Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelina and welcome to completely different video today than what you are used to. So I decided that I want to make some other videos than just Polish videos. I've always knew that that's what I wanted to do. And honestly, if you look into my YouTube history, I have started making videos, I think 6 years ago. And my first video was about nutrition. It was the benefits of maca and spirulina, which is the supplements I still take till today. Then I went into makeup and I was doing makeup videos. Then I think that's when maybe I started making Polish video. I remember this feeling of sitting down and saying to myself, what else can I give to you guys, to people from myself? I knew at the time, even though I love makeup until today. I love about skincare, nutrition, foods, everything. But I was making makeup videos at the moment. And I remember sitting down and thinking to myself, what else is there? What else can I give to you guys, to people, to the world? How can I add value? And I'll never forget that one time when it just kind of like something came into my head, like this intuition, little spark of like, oh, well, I speak Polish. You know, that was it. It was like this little spark of intuition of like, oh, I speak Polish. And then I was like, well, okay, why not try? Totally out of my comfort zone, because at the time, mind you, I'm making makeup videos. So this is completely out of my comfort zone. I don't know if anybody's gonna watch. I was like, I don't know if anybody is interested in learning Polish. I was like, who would want to learn Polish? That was just in my mind. I had no clue. I had no idea. And I would have never known if I didn't try. But something told me to do it. I made that first video. I'll never forget it. The video actually I think has like 500,000 views or more today. So it's very popular still on my YouTube channel. And literally that's how I feel like most of you have discovered me. You discovered me because you found that first video and then you said, I want more, I want more, I want more. Can you give us more and more and more? And I was like, oh wow. I was like, I had no clue, I had no idea, and of course, let me do more. So honestly, you guys picked me. I never chose this. I feel like I never chose this. Like something told me to do this, and I did it. And you chose me to be your teacher, and you chose me to teach you Polish. And I think the reason I was so passionate about it too is because I myself studied so many languages. I studied German, I studied French, and I studied English. And Polish is my first language. So I understand the struggle of learning another language. And if I could bring any value or add any value to you guys and teach you the best that I can, I would. This brings me to today and what I wanted to tell you today. So I want to step away a little bit from the Polish videos. I have about 70 or 80 videos that you can study. There's so much value and information. And I'm not saying I will never make another Polish video. That's not what I'm saying at all. What I am saying, I don't even know where to start. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to start. Okay, let's start from this. So about 3 months ago, in the quarantine, I decided I need to find myself. I need to find my purpose. I need to find out who am I truly? What are my beliefs? What is the story just that I'm telling myself? I was thinking, how can I help myself? And if I help myself, I can help others. That was the whole point. Honestly, I was always into self-help, self-development books. I was always interested in foods that we eat and consume, nutrition, health, overall health and well-being, body and mind, connection to God or source or universe, whatever you call it. I always believed in that. And I always tried, and I always read all these books, and I watched the videos, and somehow I was never there, or as I thought. And about 3 months ago, I decided I'm going to commit to meditating every single day. And I think I went on a Jay Shetty, it was like 20 days meditation every single day at 9:30 live on Instagram. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna commit. I'm gonna just do it. I hear so many amazing benefits from meditation. I feel like meditation is like number one, or just being still. So meditation, it doesn't have to be you're sitting there for 20 minutes. It could be 5 minutes. It could be just staring, like me sitting on this bench and staring for 5 minutes into the tree or nature or anything, whatever brings you joy. It could be painting or reading, almost like everything could be a meditation, whatever that could be, that you like kind of turn off your brain from your daily problems, and you tune into yourself. So anyways, I started to meditating. I said to myself, I'm going to finish this challenge. It wasn't a challenge. It wasn't a challenge. It was just like a 20-day meditation. I was like, I'm gonna do it. We're on quarantine. Mind you, this is like in April, so we're all in quarantine where everything is closed and stuff. So I was like, perfect timing. Let me do it. So I did it. It wasn't, well, some days were easier, some days were harder, you know? And I've been doing it ever since. It's been about 3 months. It changed my life. I see so many benefits of the meditation. My intention was to heal myself. My intention was to unlearn many things that I was programmed to think, to do, that I thought they were my beliefs, but actually they were not. It was what I was taught, maybe by teachers, maybe by my parents. You know, I realized that the parents, they did the best that they could at the time, as when we were little, but a lot of the things, it's almost like they projected their hurt on us. They said, you can't do that, you're not supposed to do this, they projected something that they were taught also by their teachers or their parents. And that maybe not necessarily was the best advice. And growing up, I feel like you're so conditioned to think like, oh, I can't do this. Or my mom always said like, and I'm not saying, yeah, I'm like, we're adults now, we can do whatever you want, but it almost like it sits in your subconscious mind, and sometimes out of fear or out of what you just know, you make those decisions based not even on your belief, but somebody else's belief that almost like programmed you into it, believe in that belief. I hope I'm making sense. Anyways, moving on, fast forward to today. I've been taking courses, I've been reading tons of books, I've been unlearning, I've been studying myself, I've been doing everything that I can to help myself. And I feel like I filled my cup all the way up to here, that it's literally overflowing. And I am here to start making videos and help you guys, whatever, and share the knowledge that I have learned. Anything that I have learned, anything that helped me, I would like to share it with you, because I feel like, honestly, I don't have that many people even that I talk on a daily basis about these things. And I feel like here, you guys, there's a whole world. And even if I help one person, it's amazing. I think we all are here on this earth to help each other and whatever you know, and you can spread and you can give the light and you can give this positive energy or hope or anything that you can give, your knowledge, your talents, your gifts, whatever that might be. I think this is what we are here to do, to be the best version of ourselves, and then spread the love, spread the energy. And I feel like I have this platform and I have all of you guys, my friends, and I want to come on here and talk to you like I'm talking to my friend. And I wanted to make it, and I'm not sure exactly what that's gonna be. It's going to be pretty much raw conversation, more so like I am doing right now, without almost without. I'm not sure if I rumble or not, and I have to cut it off. But it will be. I want it to be without any cuts, any edits. It's just pure raw conversation, me and you guys, just like I would talk to the friend. You know, it's almost like, I was thinking about it. It's like when you go and see a friend, you're going for happy hours, I don't know, you're going to the restaurant, you're going to like park. Like, I'm not planning what I'm going to say to this person. It's just the conversation just flows. It just flows. You just come in and you're just like, oh, hey, this is what I was doing, this is what I was reading, what did you do, blah blah blah. Like, you're just talking about these things, you're just bonding. And that's exactly is my intention here on this channel. To make videos like raw, something that maybe I learned, something that I can teach you, something that maybe will help you, maybe some of my knowledge, some of my wisdom, some of my energy, anything that I can do for you, any way I can serve, I want to do that from now on. I'm gonna go to the beach. I want to show you a little bit of the beach. I love sunsets, I love sunrises. I want to just turn on my camera, which is actually my phone. I film on my phone and just talk to you guys. Gosh, it feels good to making this video, but it's almost like I'm a little bit nervous too. It's because it's something that, you know, it's out of my comfort zone. But you also I gotta remember, if you don't do something that's out of your comfort zone, you will never grow. If you do the same thing over and over and over again, you're going to get the same results. And again, I'm not done with teaching Polish at all. You guys picked me. I know you picked me, and I'm doing it for you, and I love it. However, I hope you invite me, you welcome me with open arms as well in your houses, on your TVs, on your computers, phones, and let me share some other parts of me, some things that I feel so pulled to share with you guys, so passionate about it, so excited. And again, I'm not sure even what is it going to be. I'll just let this come and flow, and we'll see what happens. And I'm so glad I have you guys. I am kind of changing my life as well. I'm getting out of my comfort zone. I'm learning and I'm teaching. It's like I'm a student of life, and I am teacher. I'm the teacher and I'm a student of life all day, every day. And I always try to be the best that I can be, always make the best choices. And yeah, and I think it's going to be fun. And you'll see more of me, my goofiness, just my raw, pure self. And also I want to, by being myself and making mistakes and being a human that I am, as we all are, I want to give myself permission to be myself. And by doing this, I want to give you the permission of being, so you can be yourself as well, pure self with no judgment. This community, there's a no judgment zone. I will never judge anyone. And I want you to feel comfortable by being here. I want you to get a good energy, and that's the intention of this new me. It's not really new me, it's just the me that you've never seen before, I guess. I think I went to another level of like, okay, I think I'm ready. Like I learned so much, and I know so much, and I just want to spread it to the world. And you know, I got you guys. So anyways, I hope you're just as excited as I am, because I am so excited and nervous and all of it. But again, intentions are very pure. Intentions are to help you by helping myself I can help you. I don't know if I'm going to talk about food, nutrition, or just inspiration, motivation, higher self, meditation, everything that has helped me. Anyways, I hope you welcome me with the open arms, and that would be it for today. I will see you maybe tomorrow, maybe later on, I'm not sure. If you would like to follow me on my social media, all the links are down in the description box. I do post a lot on my Instagram, probably more so of my daily stuff than on here, of course. And I'm excited, and I hope you're excited as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.